Ever thought corn could be the star of a scrumptious dessert? Right here in California, corn's in season, and we're about to make magic with it. Join me today as we create a simple yet mouth-watering twist on the Filipino classic Mais Con Yelo. Using only the freshest, wholesome ingredients, we'll be creating something you'll crave all summer long. If you're new to the channel, I'm Geronimo, and I'm a professional chef and product designer in the San Francisco Bay Area. Hey friends, today we're diving into a recipe that's close to my heart. I remember my grandma making Mais Con Yelo for me growing up. It was creamy, sweet, and corny, and it always reminded me of cornflakes. This refreshing Filipino dessert has a rich history. It's traditionally served during hot summer months, offering a sweet escape from the heat. Made with shaved ice, sweet corn, and sugar, it's a beloved treat that's been cooling off the Philippines for generations. But today, we're taking a trip from my grandma's kitchen to the sunny fields of California, where corn is in full bloom. If you're ready to taste this refreshing blend of memories and flavors, get your aprons on and let's get shucking. All right, friends, today's star is none other than fresh California corn. Organic, juicy, and ready to sizzle on the grill. Let's start by giving our corn a little TLC. Grab those ears of corn and get shucking. Remove the husk and the silk. We want nothing but pure golden kernels. Now, fire up that grill to medium-high heat, and remember to clean and oil your grates before grilling. Place the corn on the grill and let the magic happen. You'll want to turn it occasionally, getting an even char all around. About 10 minutes should do the trick. The char will impart a nice smoky flavor for our dessert. Once they're beautifully charred, let the corn cool down a bit. Then take a sharp knife and cut the kernels off the cob. These sweet, smoky, and juicy kernels will create a nice complexity for our creamy dessert. And there you have it. Our grilled corn is ready with that smoky goodness that'll elevate this dessert to new heights. Alright friends, next up we're crafting a coconut cream that's as smooth as silk. Grab a can of chilled full-fat coconut milk and pour it into the blender. This creamy base will add richness to our dessert to pair perfectly with our sweet corn. Now, we'll sweeten the deal with 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of pure maple syrup. Add a teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Blend it all together until it's smooth, and you'll see it come together into a creamy delight that will perfectly complement our grilled corn. If you want it a bit thicker, you can chill the mixture in the refrigerator for a while. There we have it, a coconut cream that's rich, sweet, and ready to make this dessert shine. Now, let's prep our final layer. Moving on to our final layer, we're introducing a twist of nostalgia with creamy avocado, all in honor of my grandma and her favorite Filipino desserts. Adding avocado puree to this dessert is a nod to another Filipino favorite, avocado with condensed milk, and it's inspired by my grandma's love for this sweet treat. Take a ripe avocado and cut it in half and remove the pit. Then scoop the flesh right into the blender. Give it a whirl until it's smooth and velvety. The blender makes this process a breeze and ensures a perfect texture. This avocado puree not only adds a rich creaminess to pair with our grilled corn and coconut cream, but it also connects family memories and ties 2 Filipino dessert traditions together. There you have it. Our layers are ready and we're all set to assemble this delightful treat. Get those serving glasses and let's layer up this Mais Con Yelo. Start with a refreshing base layer of crushed ice in your serving glass. Next, add a layer of our smoky grilled corn. It's followed by a spoonful of our velvety avocado puree, a sweet and creamy link to my grandma's kitchen. Now, pour a generous splash of the coconut cream, and now you can see those layers coming together, full of texture, flavor, and memories. Repeat the layers until the glass is filled, ending with a crowning touch of coconut cream on top. And voila! Our Filipino Mais Con Yelo with a Californian twist is ready. Cool, creamy, sweet, and corny. It's a bite of history, a spoonful of family memories, and a refreshing treat perfect for any warm day. Alright, it's time to do the taste test and I can't wait to eat this. It's pretty hot out here in California today. I don't know if you can tell that I'm sweating. It's pretty warm. So I'm excited to dig into this refreshing dessert. And you can see all of the different layers. And I'm probably gonna make a mess, but what you really wanna do is do a mix. And in Tagalog, we say halo halo, which means mix mix. And there's no way I can do this without making a mess. So I'm gonna sip it first, actually. Ooh, that's refreshing. Pretty warm today, so the ice kind of melted. Wow, the corn is super sweet. And with some of the char on the kernels, I can taste a hint of smokiness. Now I'm gonna try it with a little bit of the avocado puree. Bon appetit. Ooh, it brings a nice creaminess and savoriness that's kind of different from the texture of the corn that kind of pops in your mouth. Now I got some corn, avocado, and the coconut milk. Interesting. It's definitely a combination of those two Filipino desserts, Mais Con Yelo and avocado with condensed milk. It's really refreshing and different. It's really cool to kind of combine these two different flavor profiles and textures in one dessert. And the coconut cream is really nice. It has some body and depth with the vanilla, and the maple syrup actually adds a little bit more depth and smokiness, which is really nice. I'm really glad it's corn season here in California, and this dessert really is nostalgic and hits home for me. I can't wait for you all to try this classic Filipino dessert at home. If you like this video, you're gonna love this video here, where I show you how to make another creamy Filipino dessert, ube cheesecake, made entirely from plants. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to help out my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.